welcome to our life in the Philippines. Saturday night, we are going to do a little walk around Walking Street, and at this point, right now, we're having a little dinner at Tequila Reef. That sounds good. What do you got there, hon?
Sizzling shrimp gambas.
Sizzling shrimp gambas? Okay, that sounds good. It looks good. It's extremely good. And here's my food. I love the tacos. We're at the Mexican restaurant. I told my wife you need to eat Mexican, but she wanted a real meal, she said. So, and nothing is a real meal unless it has some rice, right? So we are going to eat, have our dinner, and then we're going to take everybody for a walk down the Walking Street, the nightlife district of Angeles City.
That's maybe
What? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Here you go.
Thank you. Thank you po.
You take that with them. All
Thank
right.
you so much.
All right. Take care. All right. So, all right. So we just finished off the Tequila Reef, and we're gonna take a quick stroll down on Walking Street and just check it out.
Red light.
So we'll just take a little walk down and see what's
The one is new.
what's going on. Yeah, that's a new bar. And we have we're just going to take a quick walk here and just people watching a little bit. Where are you?
Just I can't go in the other side because there's a girl in front of me.
There's a girl in front of
I
you?
can't decide which one or left or right.
I hit your boot. And there we got a tattoo parlor,
Oh, look at this one also.
shawarma shack.
There's lot of things. This one is new. Out
Yeah,
South
they
Drive.
reconstructed this and put a South Star. Was there a South Star here before?
I don't know. It's just like a restaurant.
I don't think so. Video, they don't like it. Some of them don't like it. What? Indian Arabic cuisine. Yeah. Right there. Right. What what does mabuhay mean?
Welcome.
Welcome. Mabuhay.
Someone asked you. Oh, look at that. Look at that. There's a jeep inside that.
Huh?
There's a jeep. Look, look.
Yeah, that's
That one.
the jeepney. That's pretty cool.
Yes. That one's new. I never saw that one before. Ah. So,
Are you happy with the meal?
oh yeah.
Good.
It's a real thing.
Yeah. There's a lot of Korean restaurants here. Pretty good. Little market in there.
So this then,
Huh? Yeah. Yeah.
you need to go back.
We can walk up the street.
I need to get
What? What do you need to get? Oh. Oh, yeah.
for a purpose. For purposes.
Right.
Oh, there's a lot of Ooh. Like a wolf.
Yeah.
No wolf. Well, we go here on the other side so we can scope. Can ano,
So you can what?
we can see a little bit ano, exciting.
There's a lot of construction going on here too.
We do a big view. out namin. Oh, I'm tired.
Yeah, it's every Cocamos. All the bars.
The one who you can shoot, the one. So tired.
Yeah. KTV, that's like a karaoke bar.
Yeah.
Huh? Hey there. Are you dancing?
Okay guys, that wraps up this little walking stick video. Thank you for watching, and please hit that subscribe button, and comment below, share and like. God bless. Bye bye.